welcome to another video. For today's video, we will be going to Auto Manila Salon. Pasok montage! As you have seen, medyo a different style of vlogging. Because right now, we are with Sir John of YVS Productions, our good friend John. So anything video editing, video productions, YVS is your man. So, niyaya natin siya. And first time din niyang pupunta ng Auto Manila Salon together with me. So I have someone shooting for me and doing the editing of the video, as you have seen. Different style, no? To change things up. So anyway, ang Manila Auto Salon is the country's biggest auto show, I believe. So I'm very excited to go there. It's my first time. It's John's first time to go there. It is where and when all the top builders of the country showcase their products or their builds, no? Lahat nandun. Exotics, supercars, off-road, 4x4, 4x6, street tuners, ano pa ba? Basta lahat na maisip mong mga builds nandun. That's why it's very exciting to go there. It's like our version of SEMA show. So personally, what I want to see is of course classics na mga Benz, meron doon. I want to see some supercars, some exotics, and maybe a 4x6. Ang alam ko merong 4x6 doon. You know, the cars that you don't see every day, yan ang mga gusto natin makita sana sa show. So today is Sunday and today is the last day of the show. 3 days kasi yun. And it's already 4 o'clock. So maybe darating tayo doon ng 5. Anyway, it's up to 8. So maabutan natin. Expectations. Ano ba expectations natin? Siyempre, I want to see some wild builds. So when I say wild builds, sa mga modifications, sa mga nag-customize, talagang aggressive. I'm a fan of aggressive looks. Like yung mga wide bodies and all yan. Fan ako yan. I want to see some wild customs. No? Kasi ang Pinoy, ang mga Filipino builders or car shops, worldwide ano na yan. I mean world-class skills. Kasi tayo mga Pinoy, very passionate when it comes to cars. Lalo na sa panahon ngayon, di ba? Dami nag-modify, ang daming groups. So, yun ang expectation ko. Some wild builds. Tapos for the classics, syempre yung perfect restoration. Yung talagang na-restore nila ng tama. Period correct. Merong mga kotse doon na naka-period correct. So, yun ang expectations ko. And I'm very excited to see the builds and see you later. Pwede for 2, pero mamaya pa. Puno ba? Hanggang anong oras kayo?
9:30 p.m.
Okay. Sakto. 8 o'clock for 2.
Number or name?
Ay, wala. Kalay Cruz.
Eric. Sure po.
Okay. 9:30 pa kayo,
Yes po.
Okay, thank you. Diskarte. Well, at least, nakatry tayo bagong restaurant. Sayan, meron pala. Ha?
Sayan ah.
Hindi, maraming kotse sa parking lot.
Okay, we made it, pare. 6:15. Wild na traffic yan, pakita mo. Stranded sa traffic, everyone's here. Multiple events. Parang may convention pa, then we have this car event, tapos sale pa, Christmas bonus, lumabas. So, akala namin hindi kami aabot. Dahil hanggang 8 nga lang. But SMX is here. Ito na. 6:15, so we made it. For you.
Ihingi na ako. Ihingi muna tayo. Miss, saan na, no? Pag register ba?
Sa ano yan? Information po. Yes, sir. For two, right?
Tapos pa isa pa. Alright.
Dapat ganyan style. dapat ganito style.
So, welcome to the Auto Complex. Auto Salon 2025. So, this is how it looks like. Look how crazy it is. Lahat ng tao nandito. Lahat ng builds nandito. All the shops, all the known shops are here. So, maybe we will cut this into 2 episodes or 3, I don't know. Pero unahin natin, gawa tayo ng segment ng Land Cruiser builds. Dahil we are a lover of Land Cruiser. Si Jan, ang kotse niyan actually LC200 na naka-TE. So, tingnan natin yung mga Land Cruiser dito. May nakita kaming LC80 na luma, restored. So, here is our first Land Cruiser. A local released mukhang LC80. Kasi ngayon, nagiging uso ulit ang mga Land Cruiser for some reason eh. No? Shout out, Richard Gutierrez, LC lover. So we have a local one. Oh, manual. Manual boy, yeah, manual. Solid. Siyempre, kutsyon, pero medyo off-road setup siya, no? With the big tires and all. Kaya natin yung engine. Nanalo siya! Best of show. SUV. Oh, 90s SUV. So 90s siya. Ayan o, the legendary engine. Actually kami before, nagkaroon kami ng LC80, pero Japan. So converted yun sa amin. Ni Daddy before. Nagamit ko rin yun, na-daily ko rin yun. Pero this one is a local one, much more desirable. Tsaka the value is really holding. Nasa 2 million up ang bentahan nito when restored right. And this one looks like very well restored. Upgraded na yung headlights natin, no? If you can see. Tapos may cover. Ito may cover. Galing, no? Tapos parang naka-projector na ata siya or something. Eh. Ganda. Ganda ng headlight niya. Medyo modern. May konting modern. Tapos what I like about the LC80, meron siyang flares. This one. Tapos maganda yung ginawa nila, contrast. Gray, tapos black na gloss. BF Goodrich. And suspension. Upgraded modern suspension. Naka-lift. Pang 4x4 na talaga. And looks like naka-stainless piping siya. For the exhaust. No? Ito yung loob. Pwede ata buksan. Woo! Bango. Grabing kabango. Grabe yung loob. Ito, 90s. Ito maganda sa 90s. Tela. Fabric. Ayan, may mga scars. Siyempre, gamit siya. Pero ang galing ng pagkaka-restore nila. Yung dash, may grab handle, 4x4, and it's a manual. Parang yung kay Richard Gutierrez na uli, manual, di ba? Naparod mo yun. Ito, ganun. Same. Linis. And dual aircon. Kasi yung Japan, single aircon lang doon. Pero ito, since local, dual na siya. At may controls din doon, no? Very desirable car. Ito bumabalik talaga. Nasa 2 million pa rin ang bentahan ngayon. Ito more than to. So this particular unit, more than 2M. And I love the color. Gusto mo yung two-tone niya? Pagka two-tone, ang ganda, no? Ha? Kunin mo na. At saka, ayan, walang sunroof. Pangit sunroof eh. Tapos, ang ganda ng rain visor niya. Oh. Fan ka ba ng rain visor? Hindi, ako gusto ko. Kasi ako, hindi ako nag-aircon agad eh. Pag umuulan, hindi papasok. Ayan o. ProServe Auto Detailing. Galing nila mag-detail. Linis. And from the back, ito. Kasi manual, so hindi siya split type. Diba normally split type? Ito, di ano pa. Di ganun.
Okay din yan eh.
So, 4-wheel drive, VX. Ganda.
So our first Land Cruiser for you is the LC80 local. Beautiful car. On to the next, Overland tayo. Overland Kings yan. Idol ko rin yan. I'm a silent fan, but they have LC200 na medyo modern na naka-overlanding setup. Alright, on to the next, our next Land Cruiser. Ito medyo bigating off-road ang setup niya. Pero I'm loving the color. Ikaw? Ganda, no? We have an LC200. So, we are here in the booth of Overland Kings. Yan, sikat yan. Sila ang nagpauso ng mga overlanding sa atin. So, what they are showcasing right now is the LC200. Di ko lang alam anong model. Alam mo anong year model yan? 18, mga ganun. Lower, higher. 20s na. Anyway, actually, ang setup nila, medyo aggressive na 4x4. But I'm loving the color choice. Wrap ba? Paint siya. Then, yung bumper, medyo pang off-road nga siya. Sorry guys ako, hindi naman ako expert, but I'm just loving the setup of this LC200. Unique! And yung mags niya, naka-black rhino. Tapos ang ganda ng red, oh. Ang ganda ng contrast ng red, no? Bagay sa blue, this one. Tapos actually, medyo maliit yung mags, eh. Ano size ba nan? Hindi ko makita. But, anyway, and of course, the decals ng overlanding natin. Tapos naka-clear tint siya. Ayan, medyo modern na nga yung loob. Silip ka. Bagay yung loob sa labas. No? Yung medyo chocolate ba yan? Ganda. Dito tayo sa likod. Tapos syempre, pag overlanding, ang pinopromote ng Overland Kings is yung equipment nila. So yan, meron ka ng tulugan sa taas, yan naman ang uso ngayon. Naka-rack sa roof rack, and looks like very comfortable. Yung one click na lang setup na, very easy, no? Yun yung mga uso ngayon eh. Kasi dati, you have to set it up, bababa ka sa ground, hassle. Pero ngayon talaga, i-open mo na lang, tulog ka na. Yan ang uso ngayon. And what's good about overlanding, pwede pamilya mo, yun yung trail madali. So ito nga, parang kayang-kaya eh, di ba? Kahit na hardcore na off-road, kayang-kaya ng coaching to. Siyempre, Land Cruiser yan. Tapos yung equipment sa loob, pwede ka mag-oven kung gusto mo, may oven. And with all the generators and stuff, talagang technology ngayon, kumpleto sila Overland King ng mga equipment. Hindi naman sila kilala. Sila na una actually. So yan, if you want to set up your LC200, naka-read na guards. Generators, oh. Yung power station nyo. Ganda, oh, nilabas sila. Para makita. Yeah, this car. Ganda ng setup. And I like this, ano? Itong red tag. Ganda, no? Tapos may hook, siyempre. May winch. May winch na siya. Tapos yung blackout na logo. And mayroon din siyang light bar. Siyempre, pag sa trail, pag gabi, kailangan mo yan. Ganda. Gandang setup ito. I'm not really a 4x4 guy, but yung setup, gusto ko yung malinis lang eh. But this one is getting my attention. Ikaw ba? Okay. On to the next Land Cruiser. Di ko lang kabisado anong klaseng Land Cruiser to. Pero also with Overland Kings. Yan, laki ng booth nila, oh. Ito medyo desert safari style. Ang kulay niya. Mas maraming karga. So, welcome to our third Land Cruiser. Saya ko, ang dami kong Land Cruiser na nakita. Na naka-setup, no? Nakaka-inspire. Ha? Baka pag-uwi mo, kung ano na ilagay mo sa LC200 mo, ha? Anyway, we have our third LC here, 2022. So, modern na LC na.
Pero the setup is very nice. Yung color, bagay na bagay sa team. Pang safari. Of course, by Overland Kings. Kilala yan. I'm a silent fan of this group. Pinapanood ko yung mga vlogs yan. Minsan nagbablog yan, pinapanood ko yan. With the PIA, massive headlamps. Tapos busog sa rack sa taas. So ito, pang hauling talaga tong coaching to. Pick up siya and manual. Kita ba? Kita mo yung loob? Manual siya. Manual. So sorry hindi ko lang kabisado kung anong klaseng LC to. Pero pick up siya. And kinonvert na nila yung likod. I can see a air compressor. So I guess for the tires, kung kailangan, kasi ba ako nagpa 4x4 ka, minsan kailangan mo i-deflate. Meron na ata siyang auto-inflator nakalagay. And syempre, yung mga kitchen utility mo, ang ganda ng pagkakastock mo, tinan mo. Oh, di ba?
Tsaka very tight. Foam siya.
So kahit off-road ka, hindi naman ito mahuhulog sila. Very sturdy. Black on black Rhino wheels. And yan, tapos meron siyang side tent. Of course, pag magte-tent ka na, ipupull mo lang yun, may setup ka na. So again, this is also a very desirable Land Cruiser pickup. Bumabalik lahat, ha? Ha? Oh, may kapitbahay namin yun. Ayan, tapos of course, yung power generator. Siyempre, pag nasa remote place ka, kailangan mo ng power. Ayan, kompleto. Baka buong barangay nyo, kayang paandarin yan. It's on leaf coils. Stock niya ganun. Pero mukhang naka-upgrade na yung shocks niya. Parang naka-gas shocks na ata or something. Pero again, yung equipment ni Overland Kings, puno to. Pang-hauling kasi siya. And our LC number 4, LC200 again. Hindi ko lang alam kung kay Overland Kings to. Here, katabi. But the color also, ang ganda. Hindi ko alam kung anong kulay ito eh. Hindi siya wrap. Mukhang paint ata. Kasi ngayon, hindi mo na alam kung paint o wrap no? Pero ito, mukhang paint naman, again. Yung easy setup ng pang-camping natin. Yan ang uso talaga. Ayan, papasok ka na lang Bubuksan mo, tataas ka, tapos may ladder yan dito kasi mataas yung kotse. Tapos diretso sa taas. Ito ang gusto ko sa LC200. Split type. Diba? Pwede ka mag-picnic, pwede ka umupo. Iconic yung sa'yo, ganito, di ba? Oo. Namiss ko tuloy yung LC. It's gone, it's sold. And with the inverted snorkel, laki na snorkel nyo. Binubutasan to. Pag snorkel ka, bubutasan yan. Tapos the bump, kaya nga Tapos the bumper, yung aggressive bumper na siya, ang bigat yan. So lalong bumigat yung kotse niyan. The LC itself, mabigat pag dinadrive di ba? Ikaw ba, di ba? Nabibigatan ka? I bet ito mas mabigat, tapos with those massive tires. Maingay kaya to? Maingay yan, But again, ito, this one I like. Parang guide mo to di ba? Sa parking. Ha? Hindi. Guide to, para malalaman mo kung tatama yung taas o hindi. Parang ganun. Ha? Ewan ko, basta alam ko guide to Ay! Antena nga ata. May may numbers, may frequency. And may winch. Solid winch. Ganda pa ng kulay, dilaw. Ayan, ditong shot. Para you guys can see how big the LC200 is. At kung anong setup mo pwedeng gawin. Ito medyo aggressive. Look how big the car is. Naka-delete to. Pero laki niya, I'm loving the color also of this one. But yung tires medyo not for me. Maingay, More than 2. But gusto ko yung mugs niya, bagay sa kanya. Alright. Ilang Land Cruiser na yun? 4? Guys, wala pang kalahati. Andito pa lang tayo sa kalahating part ng venue. So there are more Land Cruisers there. So let's go. It's already 7 o'clock. And let's see. More Land Cruisers.
Yan. Our LC number 5? I don't know, hindi ko na alam. Ito, modern tayo, LC300 naman, the latest model of the Land Cruiser.
So ito, overland din siya. But medyo subtle lang.
Hindi aggressive, which I like. Medyo street parang konti, no? Yung mugs, ang ganda ng mugs niya.
VIP pa rin.
Ako kasi VIP look talaga ang gusto ko sa kotse. Even sa mga SUV, I really lean towards the VIP style.
So this one, parang ang galing. Combination ng overland because of the camping whatever sa taas. Then with the big mugs, naging VIP. Tapos wala siya mga bumpers na aggressive, no? Walang winch. So medyo street lang siya. And yun lang nilagay niya yung overland. So kung ganun gusto nyo, not too aggressive, this setup suits you well. Parang ako ito,
For me, ganito. Simple lang.
dadaan mo lang sa mugs. Anong size ng mugs? Let's see. $24. Size.
Okay na.
Yung size ng mugs, grabe, 24. Ewan ko lang kung matagtag yan o hindi. Pero LC naman yan eh, but massive 24s.
305 ang lapad. 305, 24s all around.
Tsaka tapos yung paint niya, I don't know kung stock yan or what, pero I don't know if the video can capture it. Metallic, may mga glitter siya. Ang ganda talaga. Parang black metallic na may glitters pag nalalagyan ng ilaw, no? So basically stock siya, nilagyan lang ng camping material sa taas and with those massive tires. Works well. The LC300. So, some argue, better pa rin ang LC200. But syempre, kung gusto mo ng more modern, more comfortable, LC300. Pero hindi na siya V8 kasi. V6 na twin turbo. Pero this car is fast. Alam ko 400 horsepower yan. Stock. On to the next LC. So, grabe talaga yung mga builds dito. Nakakagigil, no? Ito, singit lang natin kahit na hindi LC. Pero, siyempre, Pajero. Pajero lovers. Singit ko lang kasi worth it naman. This car deserves a spotlight. Tignan mo yung paint job niya. Ito, sikat na tong Pajero to. Nakikita ko na to eh. But, the details sa ilalim. Tignan mo yung under chassis niya, oh. Grabe, like brand new. Ganda. Tsaka alam to, nanalo to ng ilang beses eh, sa mga car shows. But anyway, I think the oldest LC here, I think, is this guy. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano, sorry.
70s ba? Tingin mo? Parang first gen eh, no?
Not sure eh, pero dyan nagsimula ang LC. So, those who know, please let me know kung anong model to. Because hindi kasi ako familiar. Anong generation ng LC. But sobrang restored. Ganda ng pagkaka-restore. Tapos clean look lang naman. Itong mugs na yan, uso ulit ngayon yan eh. Yung ganyang style. JDM Culture. That's the booth. Pero naka-upgrade na siya ng lift kits. And the color choice. Parang Bronco ang dating. With the white top. So yung white top niya, minatch niya ng white mugs. Along with the chrome plate center hub. Pero what gets me is the front grille. Classic na classic, no? Probably diesel. Yeah. Mukhang bagong-bago pa yung makina. So, there are more Land Cruisers there. Sa rugged rigs yan, marami sila. Nasa bandang dulo na tayo. And with the beautiful models. Yan ang pinupunta dito, mga models. So, I think one of the highlights of the show, when it comes to 4x4, is by Rugged Rigs, this guy. LC79 2024. Pero, bilangin mo ilang gulong. Ilan? 6. So, it's a 4x6. Grabe talaga. Wild. I'm not sure lang kung stock ba na 6 yan or ginawang 6. Pero alam ko, binodify lang ata yan. No? So, para siyang G-Wagon na 6x6. Pero Land Cruiser. So, pickup style din, LC79. And the decals, I'm loving the decals. Ikaw, gusto mo ng decals sa ganyan? Ganyang pattern? Ganda, di ba?
Bagay sa...
Yeah, and I think this car won an award. Sino-showcase naman nila. And it's automatic. Tapos ito naman yung side exhaust here. Sa gilid yung side exhaust nito. Wild talaga. Grabe, naka-borla siya. Tara mo. Pakita mo yung borla. Naka-borla exhaust. Nice. Ako, yan din ang brand ko eh. So, napakaganda tumunog ng borla. I mean naman, di ba, sa mga stang natin, borla ang ginagamit. So, siya rin naka-borla. Naka-Bradley na mags. Simple lang naman, pero ang ganda talaga ng decals. The decals get me a lot. And of course, it has the overlanding again setup. Inimol. But it's very beautiful. World class. World class build, this one. I think this is the highlight of the show, the entire show. So 4x4 this car. Galing, galing. Unique din yung ano niya, intake. You like the car? Number 1, oh. This car talaga, winner for this show. Tsaka hindi siya wrap. Pearl white, oh. Ang ganda ng pagka-pearl white niya. Yung decals talaga, ang ganda. Simple decals, but works with the car. Parang nagiging 70s. LC79 nga eh. Tapos ang ganda ng bulge siya dito. Tingnan mo sa gilid. Pakita mo yung bulge. No? Parang Bronco. It's automatic, so drivable. Pero ang bigat siguro i-drive na ito. Then, sa likod, last look lang. Wala naman, nothing special. Pero, since pick-up nga siya, everything you need is nandyan na sa shell. And, yeah, that's it. Yung under chassis niya, oh. Yung suspension system niya, oh. Hindi na siya naka-lift. Kasi yung isa, if you remember, naka-lift pa. Ito, naka-springs na siya. 2 spring na coil. 1, 2, so 4. If you remember guys, yung unang LC79 din natin doon, naka-lift spring pa. But this one, naka-spring. Yun, naka-lift spring. Ito, naka-coil spring. So far, this is the best for me. This car. So, booth by Black Rhino. Kilala nyo naman yan, Black Rhino, yung mga mugs nila, oh. Maganda na mugs. Ayoko pupunta sa booth na to eh. Makapagastos tayo dito. Pero, the LC200, another 4x4 off-road build setup. Loving the clear tints. Weird, no? 4x4 ka, nasa araw ka, pero wala kang tint, no? Pero hindi naman siguro pumapasok yung init. I'm guessing, mataas na tint ng nakakabit dyan. But, with the desert style paint ba? Wrap. Mukhang paint eh. Ganda, ganda ng kulay. Pan-desert. Safari nga. With a wide body, medyo naka-wide siya. And sa harap, aggressive na front bumpers and with those massive PIA headlamps. Grabing headlamps yan. Ang laki. So, yung mukha ko. As huge as my face, Pia. Ang lakas siguro niyan. At yung winch niya, ayan, nakatago, ang ganda. And of course, may konting decal siya. Pero yung nakasabit sa kanya, oh. So far sa show na to, siya yung may pinaka-payload na kayak. So naiba siya dahil dun. Tsaka yung ganyang snorkel gusto ko, yung naka-invert. Tapos tinan mo yung contrast dito. Black na side mirror, just to give contrast. Works with the car, di ba? Nanalo siya. Third place. Large SUV. Third place siya. Yeah, it is a large SUV. Tapos kinulayan niya yung grills along with the body color and of course to make contrast, glossy black. Parang sa side mirrors natin. It's automatic. Yung loob, parang kotse mo. Pareho kayo ng loob since LC200. Bro, imported sunroof. May sunroof siya. So, Dubai ba to? VXR? Baka VXR. VXR. So, ito sa likod. Maganda yung ginawa nila sa likod. So, this is the Dubai version VXR. Siyempre, V8, tas nakamat. Minat nila yung emblem. And yung decals yan, nandito lang. Ang ganda. VXR. Again, split type. Which makes it very desirable. So, one of the best looking LC200 here. Actually, bagay yung clear tint. No? Tanggalin mo na yung tint ng kotse mo. Tapos yung power system sa loob, grabe. Yung technology talaga ngayon eh. May generators na, may aircon na. Ang galing nung idea na kayak nilagay nila. So it shows that the car is really capable of hauling things, carrying things. Eh dyan naman ginawa ang LC 200, no? Or Land Cruiser itself, dyan naman ginawa yan is pambakbakan. Mga terorista nga, Saddam Hussein, sila, di ba yan ang gamit? Oh. So that's why very desirable car, the Land Cruiser. On to the last one. Mas luma naman. So, saving the best for last. Hindi naman the best, pero again, one desirable Land Cruiser is dito tayo sa booth ni Autogenics. Yan, kilala yan si Autogenics. Si Richard, yung mga kotse niya sa Streamline Auto Shop. Some of the cars there, si Autogenics ang gumawa. Singit mo, may R34. Grabe, two-door, Fast and the Furious. Yan, gustong-gusto kong JDM yan. But, syempre, Land Cruiser, LC100. Diba? Very clean setup. Very simple setup. I'm loving the stripes, just like your car. Diba? Yung gold stripes. So, I'm really liking the gold stripes here. Ganda. Hindi ko lang alam if this is a diesel or a gas. Hindi natin malapitan eh kasi merong chain. But, look. May crown. So parang Benz. May crown siya. Pag dinadrive mo yan, I bet ang ganda tingnan nito from the driver's point of view. Makikita mo siya parang Mercedes-Benz. And the look of the LC100, smaller headlights and grille comparing with the 200. With these massive fog lamps. Ganda lang ng itsura ng LC100. Even hanggang ngayon, mataas bentahan ito. Nasa 2 million pa rin to. Oo, diesel 1. Yung mga gas, less than 2M. Pero ito, kung diesel to, this is 2 million up pa. And the way they restored this, very well restored. Yung paint, I don't know if the video gives it justice. Pero sobrang suabe ng paint niya. Even the windshield, ang linis. So, polygloss. Wala naman siya masyadong setup. Yung mags niya, parang stock pa yung mags eh. Tapos mayroon pa siyang lock. So I guess nilalak pa yan sa labas para ma-engage mo yung 4x4. I'm guessing only correct me if I'm wrong. But dito na nagsimula rin yung mga LC. After the 100, the 200, the 300.
Pero again, ang galing ng Land Cruiser, hindi bumababa ang value niya. So yung, this is one of the few cars na hindi nag-depreciate. Even in other markets, the US, whatever, nag-hold ang value ng mga Land Cruiser. So it's really nice to see LC100 here. Siya lang ang nag-iisa na LC100 data. The rest, puro 200 and 300. And wala siyang sunroof. Again, lahat sila naka-clear tint. No, lahat sila naka-clear tint. It's a sign. Mag-clear tint na ba? Kasi kami, naka-tint kami. Siyempre, comfort. But it doesn't have the sunroof. So baka local to, I don't know. But that's the event for you today for the Land Cruiser. Nag-focus lang kami ni Jan sa Land Cruiser dahil siyempre, we're Land Cruiser lovers. Si Jan, ang daily niya, LC200 na naka-TE 37s. So, such a desirable car. You would understand why. Walang lugi. Value for money. Bilhin mo ngayon, benta mo years after, ganun pa rin ang value. And you can do a lot with the car, a lot of setup. Especially now na medyo nauuso ang overland. Thanks to Overland King. Ito sa mga shops na to, Autogenics. Kung gusto mo restoration lang, clean look. Yeah. So that's the event for you of 2025 Auto Salon, Manila Auto Salon. First time we've been here, kami ni Jan. Mind-blowing builds. So I hope you guys enjoyed our Land Cruiser episode. Dami namin nakita, ginanahan. So please hit that subscribe button. Tulungan nyo ako, magde-December na. And we are trying to reach that 5,000. Thank you for watching. Yung signature niya. Hindi, baliktad. Dapat andun ka eh. Kasi naglalakad yun. Ganyan, no?